So for that, I've used about 250 grams of chicken mince. You can use beef or mutton too. Now this is one medium-sized onion chopped. This is about a tablespoon of garlic. This is some meat masala, some ginger grated, and some Kashmiri red chili powder and some salt to taste. Now all ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So I've added about a tablespoon of oil to my pan, and to that I'm going to add the onion, and I'm going to fry the onion well till it becomes translucent. Next it will go in the garlic paste. I've taken about 5 large cloves of garlic and put them in my blender and made a paste of it. So fry the garlic till all the rawness goes away. Next goes in an inch of ginger, which I've peeled and then grated very fine. Don't throw away the peel. You can put it into your tea when you're making your tea. It really adds a nice flavor. Just some tips along the way. So fry the ginger, garlic and the onion really well. Now just put in your kheema or your mince and let the kheema nicely fry along with the onions and the ginger garlic. Now I'm going to add my meat masala. You can use any brand, and the Kashmiri red chili powder and the salt. And that's all, friends, that I do for my keema. It's really simple and yet it tastes really, really great. Now mix everything together and add about 1/4 cup of water because we want to cook the mince or the keema. And then you just cover and cook it for about 10 minutes on a low to medium flame. You can taste it at this point and see if you require some more salt or you require some more chili powder. Now I also have a recipe for keema parathas. You can go and check it out on my channel or I'll leave a link below. So now the keema is ready.